Welcome to How to Train Your German Shepherd as a Guard Dog, brought to you by www.trainpetdog.com. Many people own dogs for security, whether it is simply to have a watchdog to bark at suspicious noises and people, or as a protection dog used for guarding. A dog offers owners a sense of security that other pets cannot offer. That is why many people own dogs. However, not all dog breeds are ideal for guard dog training. The German Shepherd, however, is one breed that is ideal for guard dog training. Their large size alone can deter many would-be intruders, but it is their versatility and protectiveness that makes them ideal. In addition, the German Shepherd is an active and intelligent breed that is eager to please and will learn quickly. They can often think for themselves, and this makes them a wonderful choice for guarding. Unfortunately, the German Shepherd is a strong and confident breed, and they are not recommended for timid owners who cannot give firm rules. If you have decided that the German Shepherd is the right dog for you, and that guard dog training is the right training for your puppy, then it is important to start them off right. This should begin by choosing the proper puppy from a litter. Look for a German Shepherd puppy that is strong and dominant in the litter. He should be the first to the food bowl, and he should also be the puppy that doesn't run away when there is a sudden movement or a loud noise. When you are choosing a German Shepherd puppy, it is important to remember that dominance and aggression are two different things. If a puppy is too aggressive towards the other puppies, then you may want to choose a different pup. Other traits to look for in your German Shepherd puppy are one that is watchful and alert. He should appear to have a sense of judgment. You will also want a dog that is loyal. Unlike other forms of training, guard dog training can be done at any age of the dog. There is never a time that is too late to start. However, starting them at a young age will have the best results. Generally, guard dog training should start when your German Shepherd puppy is about 6 months of age. It should always start after your puppy has been properly socialized and has completed proper obedience training. Remember that rushing guard dog training can lead to aggression problems in your German Shepherd, and it is important to remember that obedience training should continue even after guard dog training starts. Training step number 1. Find a reputable breeder for your German Shepherd. While all German Shepherds are protective of their families, not all of them can be trained to be guard dogs. It is very important to start guard dog training before you even choose your puppy by finding a reputable breeder. Look for puppies that come from working lines, and if the breeder trains the parents in guarding, all the better. In addition, check the health of the parents and the puppies and make sure that the parents have sound temperaments. A dog with a poor temperament will not do well as a guard dog. Training step number 2. Find a qualified trainer. Once you bring your German Shepherd puppy home, it is important to find a qualified dog trainer who specializes in guard dog training. Although many forms of dog training can be done at home, guard dog training is not one of them. If it is improperly done, a dog can be left with aggression problems. In addition, many ill-trained guard dogs can have behavioral problems, and this can lead to serious injuries for you, your dog, or other people. Start your German Shepherd off right by using a guard dog trainer. Training step number 3. Socialize. As soon as you bring your German Shepherd puppy home, start socializing him to a range of stimuli. Allow him to become familiar with his new home and make sure that you introduce unusual events, such as people visiting to his environment. Once vaccinations are given, Start taking him out to various places so he can become properly socialized. These include busy stores, parks, friends' houses, streets, and to stimuli such as wheeled vehicles and strangers. Socializing your German Shepherd to children is also important to ensure a well-rounded dog. Training step number 4, obedience. While you are socializing your German Shepherd, start obedience training. This can begin with basic puppy socialization classes, which teach basic obedience while socializing your German Shepherd puppy to various stimuli. Even if you are training your dog at home, make sure to include puppy socialization classes. Before your German Shepherd moves on to guard dog training, it is imperative that you properly train them. Training step number 5, teaching your dog to bark. Barking is a natural instinct for dogs, and most dogs will bark without any training. Your German Shepherd is no exception. However, you will need to encourage this instinct in your dog. Whenever your German Shepherd barks at someone approaching the house, praise him. In addition, set up training sessions for barking by having people come to your door. Teach your dog a command for barking, and also remember to teach your German Shepherd to stop barking on command by telling them quiet after they have barked 3 or 4 times. Training step number 6. Teach your German Shepherd how to properly bite. Biting can be a difficult stage of training to teach, and it is important to teach it under the guidance of a trainer. Start by correcting your dog whenever he bites anything other than an extremity. In addition, correct him when he bites too hard so he learns the right amount of pressure to use to hold an intruder. Another technique is to teach him to bite clothing. You can hold out a piece of your clothing and say, "Take it," and praise the dog for taking the clothing. When you teach bite, always ensure that your dog already understands the command, drop it or release. Training step number 7. Teach your German Shepherd limits. The last step we are going to look at is teaching your German Shepherd limits, since this is very important. Make sure your German Shepherd has firm rules and that you are enforcing them. With training, clearly indicate the dog's territory through fencing and corrections. In addition, teach your dog not to run after an intruder by the use of commands and corrections. Lastly, to have a properly trained guard dog, it is important to teach them to differentiate between someone who means them harm and someone who doesn't. Remember that guard dog training should not be done by new dog owners and should always be done under the guidance of a guard dog trainer to ensure the best schooling of your German Shepherd. Thank you for watching How to Train Your German Shepherd as a Guard Dog. For more tips on German Shepherds and training your German Shepherd, visit www.trainpetdog.com.